So today I went and picked up the new latest and greatest Mac Edition race car to help the Mac team. Went and picked up a 76 Vega. Got twin 66. We're gonna put a 5.3 aluminum LS motor in it. It's all 4-linked. It's 9-inch rear end, 35 spline axles. It's ready to go and set up. It is, and she should be up and running here anytime. Hopefully, gonna get it out and make a debut and see how competitive she is. Let's see the great fun yet to come. So stay tuned and see how she turns out.
Is this gonna run today?
No, absolutely not. Look at this. Look at this mess. We gave Moo one job. What job did you give me? I didn't have one job. We gave him one job to back our car. Yeah. That's what we did. Yeah. I'm the wiring guy, that's for sure. You don't even know what I'm doing. I don't have any idea what you're doing. No. That's why I'm not wiring.
So when it breaks, you're not going to.
That's leaking everywhere. Maybe I should tighten this a little bit.
Yeah, you got a leak right here?
Do I? Got it. Oh, I can hear it coming out over here. Is it coming out on that side too?
Good, but as soon as I close the throttle bay, it won't run. And I mean, like, I had to keep it open a lot. It's got good oil pressure.
Injectors all plugged in?
Yep. Injectors are plugged in.
All the plug wires are on.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's on.
Yep. I just returned it on to prime it again.
Not spinning. Gotta get some oil in her.
There's some Earl?
Yep.
Progress.
some dig rolls, boys.
Ow.
That was 4 pounds, dude. I feel like that's plenty for moving.
With the gate open too, or with the blow valve open.
Yeah, what's that all about?
The one turbo's not spinning either. One's not spinning?
No.
Start it up again.
Yeah, and then
Got a fucking sequence of 16 different levels.
Ignition on? All the way, yeah. You're not all the way forward, are you? Growing up, gonna make his first race car passes today. Never been on a racetrack, ever, at all. See how this goes.
Yeah. Who was in the car looking at Nick going?
Hey, that's way better than it could have been.
I was like, oh no, he's gonna shift and stay in and just
Drive right off into the field.
Yeah.
Off into the sunset, first pass.
now he'll change those bar angles.
That was pretty far from the wheelie that he threatened us all with for his pass.
Yeah. 2 passes in, he's going to beat Sean, guaranteed.
What everybody
Zero
doesn't
question.
know is that he spent hours explaining to Zach how he was going to whoop all of us.
He did good.
That was pretty good for a first try.
He did good. He didn't wreck.
Oh, he's probably nervous as hell in
Oh
there.
God, yeah.
I got goosebumps.
Yeah, that was pretty good for first try.
Yeah, it didn't blow up.
So now change bar angle, then actually do a burnout.
Yeah.
And go from there. That was wastegate?
I had line in the pressure in the line.
Okay.
So it probably left on 5 or 6.
It fell off earlier. I made a little lap down there, got back, and the shifter cable had fallen off, so we didn't have any of the gears. So it looks like we fixed it.
She does a burnout, but that was without a burnout and no CO2. That was kind of just letting off trans brake. So, I mean, just gotta get a feel for the chassis. We're gonna make some bar changes and go after it. Sorry, I'm a little excited.
You took off, like I told you, it sucked the tire in and just smoked.
victory. He beat Austin's brother.
That was the second pass.
So we'll take it.
Don't blow her up on the way back,
Yeah.
bud.
Acts like he just won the World Series or something, dude.
Maybe he did.
Him? It is.
Do your win.
Good job, bud.
You won your first race, Bob.
Didn't crash
Good
it.
job.
Good job, brother.
How's it feel to be a winner?
Nice
That felt
job,
good
brother.
though. That felt
Do
good.
your win dance. Do your winner's dance. Ah!
Oh my God.
I didn't know you got ready.